The PlayStation 4 has been around for 5 years now, but guess what? Sony's already beginning to talk about the PlayStation 5. Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name's Jonathan, and in this video, I'm going to be going over everything we know so far about the PS5, everything official from Sony, and comparing it to what we've seen in the past with the PlayStation 4. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we should know about the PlayStation 5 is that it's not going to be coming this year. Sony has completely ruled out a 2019 release date for their upcoming console, which means that it won't be hitting stores until 2020 at the earliest. The other thing is we won't be seeing this console at E3 2019. Sony's actually not planning on going to E3 this year, and that's really big news. Sony's been at E3 every year since the conference first started in 1995. That means Sony might be holding their own separate event to show off some of the PlayStation 5 details, or they might be having like a live stream type thing a little bit similar to Nintendo Direct, but we don't know for sure. All that we know for sure is that Sony's not going to be having a big event like we've seen in the past at E3. As far as the console itself, we've actually got some specific details about what's going to be in the PlayStation 5 from system architect Mark Cherney. For starters, the PS5 is going to have an advanced AMD Ryzen processor alongside a GPU with AMD Navi architecture capable of ray tracing, a feature which is currently only available in high-end gaming rigs. The PlayStation 5 is also going to support 8K graphics, although whether or not this is going to be upscaled isn't known just yet. The PS5 will also be compatible with the current version of PlayStation VR, and no plans have been announced for a successor to launch alongside the new console. In terms of memory, the PS5 will feature a specialized HDD of sorts that will allow games and processors to load up to 19 times faster than previous consoles. Something else that's really nice about the PS5 that Mark Cherney confirmed is that the upcoming console will be backwards compatible with existing PS4 titles. It isn't completely clear just yet whether this will encompass the entire library and all existing PlayStation VR experiences, but it's really cool to think that the PS5 might be applying benefits to already existing games, like for instance playing games like Days Gone and Horizon Zero Dawn at a solid 60 frames per second is something that a lot of current gamers might like to see. Coming back to PlayStation VR for just a second, it has been revealed that the PlayStation VR headset will work with the PlayStation 5, there's been no mention of a new peripheral in the works, and it's also unclear whether the PlayStation Move controllers and other accessories will work with the new console, although I'm almost positive, like 90% sure that they will. When it comes to the price, we don't have anything official from Sony just yet, but if we look back at the PlayStation 4, that came out for an initial price of $400. The PS4 also received a bunch of really positive publicity at the very beginning because that $400 price point undercut the Xbox One by $100 at the very beginning. It would make sense that Sony would want to keep doing what worked for them in the past, so I would imagine they're going to be trying to hit that $400 to $500 price mark again. Speaking of the next Xbox though, we don't have any official information about the Xbox 2 just yet, but rumors have been going around about two unique models under the codename Xbox Scarlett. One's going to be a more powerful piece of tech in line with Sony's vision for the PS5, while the other is going to be a smaller, cheaper console with a deeper focus on streaming. That means that Microsoft's going to be trying to appeal to two very different demographics, while as of right now from Sony, it seems like they're just going for right in the middle. But with that said, let me know what you'd like to see in the PlayStation 5 in the comment section down below. I know I'm really excited to get more official information from Sony as they unveil more information in the future, and I think from what we've seen so far, it's going to be a really powerful and good console. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, so with that said, I will see you next time.